Previously on Avatar.
Why are you smiling at me like that?
Oh, I was smiling?
Oh.
Aang is the Avatar. Your destinies are intertwined with his.
Oh my. The Fortuneteller. They were really showing off Aang's love for Katara in that.
He is taunting us. You are so gonna be dinner.
Yeah, why was he looking at them like that?
I made you a necklace, Katara.
Aww.
I thought since you lost your other one.
That's so sweet.
Thanks, Aang. I love it. So, how do I look?
Oh. Oh my. How Aang sees her.
All of you?
Aang's just a good friend. A sweet little guy. Just like Momo.
Thanks.
Ouch. She friend-zoned him so fast. Oh! Oh! That is nightmare. That's a nightmare. What is that?
Whoa, close one.
Run downhill, then climb a tree.
No, punch him in the bill.
Whoa there!
An egg? Do platypus lay eggs?
Aunt Wu predicted I'd have a safe journey.
Aunt who?
No, Aunt Wu.
You didn't have a safe journey. You were almost killed.
Yeah,
But I wasn't.
true.
All right, have a good one.
I guess that's true.
Oh, and Aunt Wu said if I met any travelers to give them this.
Fortune telling is nonsense.
What do you know? An umbrella.
Oh.
That proves it.
No, it doesn't.
Just admit you might be wrong and you can come under the umbrella.
Look, I'm gonna predict the future now. It's going to keep drizzling. See?
Not everyone has the gift, Sokka.
Do you guys believe in fortune tellers? I'm like on the fence about it. Sometimes I feel like it's eerily true,
Aunt Wu is expecting you.
but I feel like there's also some that just say things that are generically true for anybody. Oh. She's into Aang.
Hello there.
Hello.
Well, Aang, it's very nice to meet you. Very nice.
Likewise.
Okay.
I can't believe we're here in the house of nonsense.
Oh, Meng! Aunt Wu says I'm going to meet my true love. He's going to give me a rare panda lily.
That's so romantic. Your love will give me a rare flower.
Good luck with that.
Is that the big ear guy who Aunt Wu predicted you'd marry?
Oh, that's why she said that.
I guess that's me.
Not bad, not bad.
Are those crunchy?
Boring stuff, I'm sure. Love, who she's gonna marry, how many babies she's gonna have.
Yeah, dumb stuff like that. Well, I gotta find a bathroom.
Slash eavesdrop, probably.
You, the man you're going to marry.
Tell me more.
I can see that he's a very powerful bender.
Oh. Oh. He's like, it's me. It's totally me.
Your future is full of struggle and anguish. Most of it self-inflicted.
You didn't read my palms or anything.
I don't need to. The bones never lie. Go on, pick one.
Did he mention that he is
Now
the
throw it on
Avatar?
fire.
This might get a little
That's a
funky.
big crack.
I've never seen this before.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh my! You will be involved in a great battle. An awesome conflict between the forces of good and evil.
Yeah, I knew that already. But did it say anything about a girl?
Oh.
A girl? You want to know about love? Right here. It says, trust your heart and you will be with the one you love.
Really? Thank you, Aunt Wu.
Very generic fortune cookie.
Well, now you got to see for yourselves that my life will be calm and happy and joyful. Ow!
I felt that coming.
That doesn't prove anything.
Well, I liked my predictions.
We're waiting for Aunt Wu to come and read the clouds to predict the fate of the whole village.
That cloud kind of looks like a fluffy bunny.
You better hope that's not a bunny. A fluffy bunny cloud forecasts doom and destruction.
Do you even hear yourself?
We used to have a tradition once a year of going up the mountain to check the volcano ourselves. But ever since Aunt Wu moved to the village 20 years ago, we have a tradition of not doing that.
But I mean, they do all blindly believe her.
Don't you think that cloud looks like a flower?
Huh? Sure, I guess. Hey, Katara, don't you think that cloud looks like a flower?
Shh.
What happened to the necklace that he gave her?
Wavy moon-shaped cloud. Let's see. Gonna be a great year for twins.
Yes!
Oh.
And a cumulus cloud. The village will not be destroyed by the volcano this year.
I like you, but more than normal.
Oh, he's going for it.
Never mind.
Aww.
Is he gonna be handsome? Oh, I hope he's tall.
Ah, you want another reading?
Yes, please.
Oh, she's into all of this.
I can't believe all these saps.
She said I'd be wearing red shoes when I met my true love.
Uh-huh. And how many times have you worn those shoes since you got that fortune?
Every day.
Then of course it's gonna come true!
Yeah, exactly.
You think so? I'm so excited.
Oh, wait, one more thing. How warmly should I dress tomorrow?
You want me to do a reading for that?
I have to take a bath sometime!
So, Sokka, you know some stuff about ladies, right?
Some stuff. You've come to the right place. And to tell you the truth, I've been picking up a subtle vibe that she likes you too.
She does?
Oh boy.
Yeah, she's crazy about you. You have to act aloof. Like you don't really care one way or the other.
Well, okay.
Oh.
Hey, Aang.
See you later.
That's
Wow,
like
that kid is good.
You gotta stop.
that's like short-term
Bye-bye
relationship
now.
advice,
Okay,
not
okay, but one more
soulmate advice.
thing. Or a papaya for breakfast tomorrow.
Papaya.
Oh, I hate papaya.
Oh,
What the
hey,
heck?
Katara.
She needs to
didn't
get
see you
it
there.
together.
Hey, Aang.
I don't really care what I eat.
Okay, then. See you later.
Maybe aloof isn't my style.
He doesn't like apples?
A panda lily.
I've seen it in action, and boy, does it work.
Flowers are fine once you're married, but at this early stage, it's critical that you maintain maximum aloofness.
Oh my goodness.
But my heart is telling me to get this flower.
Yeah. Yeah.
Aunt Wu was wrong.
We've got to warn them.
There's no time to walk. Grab on. Ah!
Well, we have other things to worry about. Aunt Wu was wrong about the volcano.
Sokka, you tried to convince me she was wrong before. It's gonna take an awful lot to change my mind.
Okay, well, there you go.
Yeah, we know you don't believe in Aunt Wu, Mr. Science and Reason Lover.
If you won't listen to him, maybe you'll listen to me.
Please listen to us. You are all in danger, and we have to get out of here. You can't rely on Aunt Wu's prediction. You have to take fate into your own hands.
Yes, exactly.
Can your
Say that
fortune-telling
to
explain that?
Katara.
Can you it rains?
Yes! Yes, it can!
What the heck are these people
They
on?
just won't listen to reason.
We're taking fate in our own hands. First, I need to borrow Aunt Wu's cloud reading book.
Oh, they're not just gonna confront her?
One to hear us. Oh! I didn't see you there.
You don't like me, do you?
Of course I like you.
Aww.
But not the way I like you.
I know what you mean.
She's beautiful, by the way.
Huh?
That
Oh,
water tribe girl.
she knows.
I can see why you like her so much.
I meet a great guy who's gonna completely fall for you. I know it.
Thanks. Wait, don't you want this?
How did you know?
Stalking you.
Oh, thanks. I guess.
Oh my gosh. The heck?
Clouds are made of water and air.
I really want an Appa plushie. Like a big one. I haven't bought a plushie in so long, unless it's for my daughter, which it probably will become my daughter's.
Oh my!
Oh, yeah, a skull. The Chamber of Secrets has been opened.
The village if we act fast. If you are earthbenders, come with me.
I'm an earthbender. I'm not.
Everybody else, grab a shovel. Come on, we've got to hurry.
Is it gonna be deep enough? Oh, that's okay.
Everyone
Wow.
needs to evacuate. We'll come for you when it's safe.
Are those graves? Oh, that seems...
It's too much.
Oh, it is
It's
too
gonna
much.
overflow.
Oh. Oh. Whoa, the clouds. That was so cool. Go, Aang.
Sometimes I forget what a powerful bender that kid is.
Wait,
Oh.
what did you just say?
Nothing, just that Aang is one powerful bender.
I suppose he is.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
By the way,
Very clever.
No offense, but I hope this has taught everyone a lesson about not relying too much on fortune
The
telling.
village wouldn't be destroyed, and it wasn't. She was right, after all.
Oh.
I hate you.
Oh.
It's okay, Sokka.
you didn't really see love in my fortune, did you? You just told me what I wanted to hear.
I'll tell you a little secret, young airbender. Just as you reshape those clouds to shape your own destiny.
Yeah.
Goodbye, everyone. It was so nice to meet you.
Take care.
Just like wearing red shoes every day, meeting the one you love.
Woozy.
Oh! Dang, she fried her up. But yeah, just like if you wore red shoes every day, you would eventually fall in love because you're thinking about it all the time. And that's the power of manifestation. Fortune tellers are a form of manifestation. And I even got into a conversation with someone in the comments over on YouTube about it. Yeah, this show does talk about manifestation, about creating your own destiny, about being the main manifester of your own dreams. And I love that about Avatar. I didn't really learn or even start thinking about manifestation until probably my late 20s. For a kid's show, I love that because you do create your own reality. You do manifest things. And if you're constantly in toxic cycle or negative cycle or a cycle that isn't really serving you, but you feel like you're stuck there and you're constantly thinking about it, then it's going to keep happening. Now, granted, I feel like there are some people in life, and I feel like I am one of those that just go through seasons that are meant to challenge you. And I think that Sokka is going through one of those seasons where everything is much worse for him and things just happen to him that are unfortunate. And many of it is self-inflicted, but he learns from that and he overcomes it. I mean, look at the Sokka that we first met in episode 1 through, what was that, like 4 or 5? He was very sexist. He was constantly getting on Katara for being a woman and making jokes about it and all of that. But he hasn't made a single sexist joke since he left that village of Kyoshi with the warriors. And he realized that, you know, it doesn't matter if you're a woman, you could still be an epic warrior. And he took that moment to change his fate and to learn about being a warrior. And he learned all those skills and he even got a kiss out of it. He got some love. And yeah, I think that it was meant to teach him that lesson, and it's important. I think he has so much misfortune because he has a lot of lessons that he still needs to learn. And it happens to Katara too. I mean, she had to learn a few things along the way, just like Aang has to learn things along the way. We all carry things that, yeah, misfortune will come and find us, but it's not because it's negative or because we're doomed for life or because of anything. I mean, you can make your reality doomed for life if you're constantly stuck in that flow, in that mindset, but that is self-inflicted. Instead of accepting something that happened that is not great, and instead of harping on it, harping on the negativity, but you can grow from it, and instead of looking at it as this negative thing, be grateful for the experience. Be grateful that you learned that lesson. This show talks about that stuff a lot. It talks about manifestation a lot, creating your own reality. And in this whole Fortuneteller episode, that was the main gist of it. It was exactly what Aang says. And I love that. I love that this is a topic in a kid's show. It's very cool. But I feel like in the end there, Katara is realizing, right? She's realizing that maybe she does have a little thing for Aang. And I can't help but wonder if eventually we'll get some like Katara Aang love. And I honestly don't know if I'm on board for that. Like, I kind of like it. I'm kind of here for it. But I also feel like Katara has a lot of growing to do. And there's things that she does that annoys me. But I mean, there's things that Sokka does and even Aang does that annoy me a little bit. And that's what's so good about this show. It's so human. They have human personalities that just shine through these people. And it's honestly incredible. Very well written. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I really liked this episode. It was super fun. But I will see you all in the next one soon. Bye.